Hey, good morning, guys. Um, Hopefully everyone is staying safe at their homes and also offices because yung iba ay pumapasok na ngayon kagaya ko. Like right now, papunta na akong work. Okay, guys. So, anong pag-usapan natin ngayon is let's talk about work. Let's talk about people at work. Kagabi, nainis ako. Okay, nainis ako kasi yung amo ko palagi kaming pinipiga. Okay? Paikli ng paikli ang timeline niya. Kasi ayun nga, napapabayaan namin na nagagawa naman namin in her timeline, which is giving me and my colleagues pressure. Okay? Instead na chill lang ang work, palagi kaming stressful. And that's not how you're supposed to live life and also have a career, right? Yes, we are, we need our careers because to survive, okay, for our expenses. But our life, okay, shouldn't, revolve around it. Okay? Our career is just to support us. Okay? Kung yung career natin ay binibigyan tayo ng stress, okay, mental stress especially, I don't think, it's worth it anymore. Okay? So, ayun na nga, even after office hours, okay, sinasabihan kami na, okay, eto dapat gawin nyo. Bukas, kailangan nyo ito tapusin, which is not right. Because we also need time to ourselves, okay? Time to think, time to decompress. Hindi every time na kailangan natin ay isipin yung trabaho, okay? If it can wait the next morning, let it, okay? Any business will not fail during the night because everyone is also asleep, right? So, yun nga. So, nainis ako doon. I mean, pagka ganyan, your employers, okay, are not respecting you. Okay? Not respecting you as an employee, not respecting you as a human being. So, yun. Inis na inis ako, hindi ako makatulog ng maayos. 'Di ba? See how it's affecting me. So, my mental health and eventually physical health na din. Kasi hindi ka nakakatulog, hindi ka nakakapahinga. Okay? Masama palagi ang loob mo. Pagka ganun, guys, I suggest na take a break, explore something that gives you joy or look for another job. Okay? Kasi tingnan nyo, guys, okay, I've been working for more than 20 years. And I've been exposed to a lot of people already. A lot of managers, right? I mean, kung ang company, okay, or tumatakbo, okay, na hindi lahat urgent, hindi lahat kailangan ngayon, then there has to be something wrong with the management. Kung ganun, right? Kung hindi ka pinoprotektahan ng amo mo or your senior manager, then there has to be something wrong. Okay? Baka most likely pasipsip yung manager nyo, or they just don't know how to manage their work and their people. Okay? Madaming managers na ganun, guys. Hindi dumaan sa tamang proseso. Hello. Okay, guys. So back to my rant. So yun nga, sometimes, okay, a job is not worth your health. Okay? Sige. It's paying you a lot. Okay, it's paying a lot of money. The offer is good. Pero doon mo naman ikakamatay. So, anong mas prefer mo? Okay? Maliit na sahod pero happy ka naman, and it will prolong your life, your health, or a job that is very stressful, will affect your health, and maybe shorten your life. Okay? So, ikaw, anong mas prefer mo? See, if you think about it, let's say, yung concept na compounding, right? Kung maliit naman ang sahod mo, and alam mo naman how to save, how not to spend it all, and if you're not extravagant, in time naman marireach mo din yung goal mo, or makakaipon ka din. Okay? Plus, mas ma-enjoy mo din yung life mo and yung mga tao sa paligid mo, your family. Okay? Like, sorry guys, I'm gonna keep giving examples, not to digress. Like kahapon, right? After I received that call, or I received that message from my manager, I was upset. Okay, I was in a bad mood. And then, lumapit sa akin yung niece ko. Okay? And gusto niya maglaro. Like that time naman, okay, that time, at night and at home, right? It should be my time. Okay? My mind should not be occupied by the office. Pero since upset ako, I'm in a bad mood, parang ayaw kong kalaruin yung niece ko. Pero alam nyo, naisip ko, why would I sacrifice my relationship with my niece over this job? Okay, over that manager. Actually, alam nyo, gusto ko nga magmura eh. Pero, wag na lang. Tignan natin. Ayun, right? Why should I sacrifice my relationship with my niece because of this stupid idiot manager who cannot handle herself and her work? Okay? So yun, I forgot, I avoided thinking about my job, and yun, pinilit kong makipaglaro and makipagbond with my niece. Diba? So ayun ang mga na-experience mo because of a bad manager. So yun nga. Oh, 'di ba? Sige, mababa naman ang sweldo mo, pero in time kasi mas longer naman yung life mo, mas longer yung life mo, kasi makakapag-work ka, maiipon mo din, right? Maiipon mo din. And at my age, 'di ba? How much money do I need to survive? Okay? Yes, nag-aano naman yung wife ko, nagwo-work naman yung wife ko. Okay, we want a baby. But kung hindi kami extravagant, kayang-kaya na namin buhayin ang isang baby. Kaya ayun nga. So maybe I'm coming to a point na I might quit. I might quit my job and rest. Parang gusto kong magpahinga muna para makaisip kung saan talaga yung direction na gusto ko. So, guys, let this be, an advice, okay, na work is not, that important. It's not worth it to sacrifice your health, because our health is, should be top priority. Kasi without it, kung wala ka, okay, kung hindi ka maka-work, paano mo pa masusuportahan yung family mo, right? Paano kung hindi ka na makagalaw, okay, hindi ka na makagalaw, and hindi ka na makalakad, then paano na? Guys? So, yun, think about everything I said, and yeah, kung if this, helps you, great. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna end this video now. See you guys. Bye-bye. Also, ito pa pala, okay, ito yung ginawa ng manager ko, okay. So, alam niyo naman na merong war dito sa Middle East, okay, the US, Israel, Iran war, okay. What was that? So, there was a time na, ayun nga, nag-start na sila magpadala ng bomb dito sa Dubai, okay. And then, meron kami kasing group chat ng mga colleagues ko na kasama yung manager ko. So, ganito nga, ayun na, meron ng nagkakagulo na dito. So, if you're a normal human being, right? Syempre, iisipin mo yung safety ng mga tao mo, mga employees, okay? If you're a normal being. Pero itong manager ko, so nagtanong yung isang colleague ko, okay, so are we gonna work from home tomorrow? Okay? So it's a question that everyone will ask, and also everyone would appreciate if they could work at home because of the situation, right? The dangerous situation that we are in. And also, to add to it, nasa kami, business hub kami, okay? The office is in a business hub, which is a high risk area. So yung nga, sabi nga nagtanong nga sa GC yung office mate ko, so are we working from home tomorrow? Alam niyo, sabi nung manager ko, no. What the hell? No? Right? So you're putting the life the lives of your employee over the situation. Oh, I'm not sure if I said that right, but you're putting your employee's life at risk because of what? Because you want to kiss up to your senior. Okay, you want to what? You want to get promoted again, right? So, is that a human being? Okay. She was, I don't know, she did not even think twice to say no. Okay, we should be at work tomorrow. Maski na merong gera, maski na tinitira ng Dubai, you guys have to work. F her, right? F her to the moon. So yun guys, toxic management. You guys don't need it.